wise and get truckerized today.
Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tuner report for Dennis in Georgia on this Ranger RCI 99N4. Dennis got it all fixed up for you, fully loaded out like your N2 was. Truckerized tune consists of tune and alignment, all my audio mods, power mods, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic cap upgrades, wideband transmit receive. We've got a high cut noise filter right here on the back for sideband, and this thing's ready to rock. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug. I guess set around 25 all the way down. That way you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. 125 all the way up to 215 bird, 1000 watt slug and peak. 600 watts on the money. Okay, Dennis, it's ready to head down to Georgia. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com and on the YouTube. Bump bump.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.